Are you doing this for yourself, or you got like a YouTube thing?
I have a YouTube thing.
What's the name?
For a minute in the quiet, it feels like it was before. I get lost just for a moment, thinking.
We'll check it out.
Yeah, been trying to do every park we stay at.
Oh, okay.
Try to do at least one round around the entire park.
Oh, really?
And those are some of our most popular because people take a look to see
Yeah,
what
they
their
can see the
site.
whole place. No, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Yep.
We'll check it out. All right.
Coming in, register there.
I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess. But what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low. I'm not myself.
Hopefully the GoPro likes this memory card better.
I'm not myself.
Well, let's look at other memory card. Counterfeit.
Wasn't meant to be pulled apart.
So, campsites 1 through 47.
Golden leaves when it's their time.
This is a long loop.
But I didn't want to feel this way. Tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace. I know I can't be happy. It's not in my
These.
head.
So there's the drawback of these sites. Might want to bring a use poo break. Little Explorer. That's been pretty long as we have. Probably longer.
Feel so low. I'm not myself. I feel so low. I'm not myself.
So here.
I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess. But what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid. Setting me free from my chest. I feel so low.
For informational purposes, it is right now 1:54. Sunday after the 4th of July. Figured this would be a good time. Because most of the sites are going to be as empty as they're going to be here in our state. And we're leaving tomorrow anyways. This is the last chance I have to make this video.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. And it tastes the good. Got me upside down.
Campsites 92 through 131.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the glass, can't swim down. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the glass, can't swim down. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
See this volleyball there? There's Gabber. Yeah, inflatable couch.
Upside down, got me 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 upside down.
That's at 132 to 150. Oh, no problem. Boost my case up a little bit over here. About the only roads I'm really going to show you twice.
Upside down, spinning around. When I taste the glass, dance without. Upside down, spinning around you. When I taste the
Campsites 151 to 194.
I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's it feel like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding my business, but you're so in your feels. There's something wrong with your brain. 'Cause every time you talk it sounds like
Have a nice peaceful ride. All right, that boat launch area. More boat launching. Show you a little better.
I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag.
Boat coming in. Pontoon over there. Campsites 195 to 240. All the sites in this section are full hookup. They are kind of close together. That's the trade-off. Some of them have concrete pads. Most are gravel.
Every time you talk it sounds like blah 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 blah.
This whole section over here is relatively new. That's some decent scenery.
Born out of your mind. Am I your entertainment? Promise I'm not even trying. Green really isn't your color. Please just give it a rest. If last time made you unhappy, wait till you see what happens.
The outlet there on the boat. Probably a good park for boaters. Beach over there. If you want to see the beaches, the drone videos are a little better for that. Because I flew a bunch of times over the water by the beaches.
Every time you talk it sounds like blah. Tough luck, babe. Struck out when you had about 30 chances. One bad day, now you don't know how to pay for the damage. I don't wanna climb. If I'm gonna fall back, it's a waste of time. Keep winning. How the hell do you make it look so easy? I'm spinning, and I can't seem to get back on my feet. Yeah, I am.
And the final loop. If you're moving in. Sites 241 to 287.
Now you're scared of time. Gotta beat the clock now. It's all up to right. Tough luck, babe. Struck out when you had about.
Now we're doing that period. Still filming.
Wanna climb. If I'm gonna fall back, it's a waste of time.
I have no response to that. Cute little girl says, excuse me.
Stick it out now. Is it time to go?
A lot of e-bikes. We are not on an e-bike. We are on a Trek Verve 1. My very first slightly expensive bike. Nice though. I got a bike that's the right size for me. Hey, so coming out of the loop. We'll do the whole straightaway all the way back to the entrance, which is where we're camped. That's a big pad. We've got boat trailer parking here. And on the other side, of course, we have a whole bar. Fish cleaning station. Our boat trailer parking. Of course, a whole two doggy bags. Not the restaurant. Ooh. There's a bump there.
Yeah, let's fall in love for the fun of it. Dive in at first and all of it. Oh, what a rush looking into your eyes. Playing it off like it's different this time. Let's break our own hearts for the fun of
You
it.
can see the whole clear field.
I'll live in your head for the rest of your life. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? My God, don't we look good together? I should be running away, but so what? Whatever. Oh, last love I found, knees met the ground, and all my roses died. Swore I was.
So let's look and see solitude ahead. Straight ahead. There's our jingle ball. Neighbors Camp 58. Chris and Lara choose Connect.
Won't you be my hopeless Valentine? You're a bad idea.
They all went to Alquiak Falls and Sheboygan State Park and off the beach. We've already done that. We've done Alquiak Falls like 4 times already. It's enough.
Oh, what a rush looking
behind me.
This time let's break our own hearts for the fun of
Beautiful.
it. Walking out, dying to run the risk. I'll live in your head for the rest of your life. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Have me in your possession.
Trash. It's actually a little far to walk for the trash bins. Oh, yeah. You people checking in?
And now you're calling me, holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna be, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back.
Yeah. Is this everything? I'll just capture the eagle at the entrance. Please do not touch the eagle with the fish. Aloha sign. And the Aloha Store. Yes. You're gonna get donuts and ice cream here. The steep trail parking. Okay. And that's a full circle. Shut the cameras off. To check and see if they stayed on.